Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Retail Money Investments. This is Vinod. First of all, thanks for all of the guys who have subscribed to my channel. That motivates me to create new content like this. Today, we're going to talk about Robinhood and Robinhood traders as well as investors investing in Tesla stock. There's quite a lot of fuss in the media with regards to the trend and the purchases which are made by Robinhood traders. So we'll have a quick look at the media and why they are so negative. First of all, shout out to all the Robinhood traders who are watching this video. I love Robinhood community and what they're bringing onto the stock market, because previously, this game was only primarily was available to Wall Street professionals and some pros. But now platforms like Robinhood helps all the retail investors like us to invest and grow our money. For some of the guys who are watching in UK, you may not heard of Robinhood. Robinhood is a platform, as I said, where you can invest to buy stocks and options. They are planning to launch in UK in Q4 2020, so you can subscribe to their website so that you get notification as soon as they launch. Then you can start investing. Again, there are quite a lot of adoption of Robinhood as an investment platform. There are two key reasons. One is no commissions. Yes, no commissions if you're listening to me, as well as no foreign exchange fees. These two are the major expenses what an investor incur when they trade or invest. For example, say if I want to buy a 10 Tesla stocks in UK, I use a platform called HL. They charge, let's say 10 stocks cost me, let's say £10,000. They charge me around £100 as foreign exchange fees, as well as plus a £11 charge for commission. Wherein if I start trading with Robinhood or investing with Robinhood, I would save £120 or 130 odd dollars in dollar terms if as soon as I start using Robinhood. So I think I'm more excited that they're launching in UK, and I would make a video in how to sign up, as well as what are the other benefits which they can provide. Anyhow, let's get back to the topic. Again, big shout out to Robinhood community. I love you guys. You guys setting the benchmark in terms of how retail community are trading in this volatile stock market. Okay. The purpose of this video, let's get to some news. So this is the news which started on Monday morning. Nearly 40,000 Robinhood day traders added Tesla shares in 4 hours Monday as the stock whipsawed. I think I don't know what the fuss with the media, especially one which I'm showcasing you guys online, as well as the probably CNBC. They have the monopoly of the financial news. So whatever they say, people just follow. This is a wrong statement in terms of that Robinhood traders are not just buying Tesla on the day when it swung 16%. That's a wrong news. I think there is a story behind it. I'll capture it or explain to you guys in a minute. So this is one news where you guys can see they just say that Robinhood traders only buy in when there's a massive dip, which is a wrong statement. I would prove that in a minute. As well as you can see from Bloomberg here, 10,000 day traders and are buying Tesla shares. Not all Robinhood traders are day traders. There are day traders, okay, who have, let's say, trading as their day-to-day job. There are significant proportion of uh, let's say investors, this is a secondary job for them. Like most of the guys, we are like 25 to 45, we have a day job and we want to earn that extra bit so that we can provide it to our family and the loved ones. So when they portray just traders are not bad in first scenario, like Goldman Sachs or any other investment banking, all of them are traders. They are trying to make money every day. But when you work for Wall Street and a trader, you're considered like a higher rank. And when you are trading in Robinhood as a basic retail investor, like they just say you're a trader, and the way they portray, yeah, is bad. Anyhow, so you guys can see, I think, again, this is another news where they're talking about only Robinhood traders buy when there is big drop or big gain. I just wanted to prove that wrong. The reason why I wanted to prove that wrong is to showcase you guys one data. I'm using RobinTrack, and again, I've used this in my previous videos. First of all, let's look at the leaderboard. So this leaderboard is primarily all the Robinhood combination of all the users, which is the biggest holding in terms of stocks. As you guys can see, is Tesla top 10, around 480,000 users have a position. This position may be one stock, off a stock, or they may have thousands of Tesla stock. So there are 480,000 users are holding this stock. The key data what I wanted to share you guys is the news is kind of, yes, that's true in terms of there is change. If you see the, let's say, last 3-day period, change in terms of when how many users had it, let's say last Friday versus today, there is quite a lot of change, and this is a good thing. I think I'm so proud of all the retail investors who are making this move. The reason I say this is because you're understanding what Tesla is currently trading at, what is its potential. Why I say that? Because I think they are seeing this as portraying this as negative media. Primarily, you guys know that I think Tesla is poised or planning to release their quarterly results on 22nd July, which is 7 days from today. And if they turn even $1 profit in this particular quarter, they can join S&P 500. They'll be eligible for this, and again they need to go through a process. Hopefully they would get in, and then this is a positive for the stock. So what does that happen after that? Which means that most of these S&P 500 index tracking companies, they need to buy into this Tesla stock. So what happens is, most of these guys, they are not buying it now, because until the decision is official, there's no point in spending millions and billions of dollars buying this stock. So what they do is, I think they wait for the quarterly results. So if, let's say, it's $1 profit, let's put it hypothetically, then what they need to do is they need to start loading the stock, right? So they're not buying it now, so they want somebody to sell it. So they just hammer down the stock as much as possible in such a way that they can get in at a cheaper level. But what's happening with Tesla is amazing, and I love it. That retail investors realize the potential, that these big fishes in the sea, they need to buy the stock. So what they're trying to do is have some negative news. And if you see what CNBC, there is so much negative media against Tesla. But anyhow, Tesla rocks. As you guys know, they are everybody's adopting EV cars, as well as if you've seen my other videos, I own Tesla Model 3. It's one of the best cars I ever own. Anyhow, let's get back to the topic. So there's a lot of say Robinhood users buying Tesla, which is positive thing, because let's say once they add the stock into S&P 500, there's a potential for the stock to run up, and then you can have some good gains. Yes, if you got in now, there is potential. If you got in 6 months ago, there is a lot of potential. So uh, so that's a good trade, what the Robinhood users are doing. So this is why I wanted to, I think there is another negative perspective when it comes to Robinhood users. They just trade penny stocks, and they're just in for pumping and dumping. You would have heard that term from Jim Cramer from CNBC. I follow him. I love him. He gives good advice to all the retail investors. But I think I disagree with him when he just put every Robinhood user, investor, or a trader in one particular box. The reason I say that is, as you can see this particular graph, so this is the Tesla stock price, which is in pink, versus the user holdings in green. So as you guys can see, I've done a 2-year chart here. So since 2018, there's always a good adoption of the stock being bought by Robinhood users. Before the stock rose, I think you can see that in early 2019, they saw the potential in the company, where the stock price, which was hammered down in media saying that company will go bankrupt, etc., wherein retail users, even I bought quite a lot of shares in this particular period, but again I didn't use Robinhood platform, so there's no spike here. But again, as you guys can see, that the adoption of buying this particular stock and company is always been there with Robinhood traders. And again, they've seen this potential, way before any of these big investment firms, or, a lot of analysts who become a bull recently for this particular stock. So as you guys can see, it's never dipped, even at a high prices also. As you guys can see that even the stock rose up to $1,750. Even people bought it at higher levels, because that is not high, because there is still room for the stock to run. And again, the major let's say point which would drive the stock up is, again, as I said, S&P 500 inclusion. So And again, just to conclude on the video, and again, what you read in media sometimes may not be the right interpretation. So that way, do your own analysis, watch certain videos like similar to what you're doing now, or there are other YouTubers who make good contents like this. So first of all, I just like to give another shout out to Robinhood users. You guys are doing amazing. And again, if you look at the leaderboard, the kind of stock the retail investors are buying now, which are very good quality stocks. If you look at Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, these are all in top 15. We're not talking penny stocks. So I think we want to change that interpretation of retail investments. We're just not into penny stock. We are into quality. We are into growth, and we are showing the big Wall Street guys. This is the way, and we are early before they enter. Uh, so hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If you do like, do like. If you don't like, don't like. And sorry, do a comment below. This is my 10th video. I'm just trying to get my voice out, share information what I have with you guys. Um, Please do subscribe for the channel, which helps me to create more content like this. Thank you for watching this video. Wherever you are in the world, hopefully you and your family are safe, and